Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a Captain America lift-off tee for the 4th of July. Alright, so you're going to need 32 ounce cup of ice, Blue Blast, strawberry flavor, raspberry tea, energy tea, pomegranate lift-off, and cranberry aloe. Okay, get a mixing cup, put a little bit of hot water to activate your lift off. A little extra. You can crush your lift off so it can go and dissolve when you pour it in there, so it doesn't take as long. Shout out to my husband. Happy birthday. He's 36 years old today, so this is actually for him. Okay, and we're going to do a half a teaspoon of our energy tea. A half a teaspoon of our raspberry tea. And we're going to go ahead and mix in our strawberry flavor, and this is actually gonna be a double shot of energy because these flavor packets, these black energy great value packets, carry 120 grams of caffeine plus whatever you're gonna add off your Herbalife product, which is about 120 as well. Okay, so we're gonna mix that up good. This is gonna be our base. Straight to the bottom. Add some water all the way up to the top. Bam. And we're going to get a little bit more hot water. And we'll do our blue flavoring. Okay. Oh, and guess what I forgot? I forgot our shot of cranberry aloe. Or a tablespoon or 3 caps full of your cap, which is what I just did now. 3 caps. Okay. And this is your Captain America.